Hi, today I'm sharing two artist trading cards with a Distress Oxide background and with products from STAMPlorations. I cut the cards from watercolor paper. They are measuring 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And I start with the Distress Oxide inks and the small jelly plate. I don't want to create mud, so I make sure that the layer I have made before is dry before I add color to it. You will find a complete supply list in the description box. I want to add some more texture to the background, so I use the mini round jelly plate and stamp with it onto the cards, and I just press the plate gently onto the paper. I stamped two birds onto white cardstock and cut them out. I stamped them onto my cards too. I don't mind that the impression is not good. I think I need to re-ink my ink pad, but I just want to see where the birds will be when I create the background. I add some background stamping for more interest. For even more texture, I use a stencil from STAMPlorations and just add water through it onto the oxide background, and immediately the ink reacts with the water, and this gives a nice texture. I have some leftover liquid watercolor in my palette, and I thin it down with water and add some white splatters. I stamp the titles with Versamark ink and emboss them with Wow embossing powder. I use Inktense pencils to color the birdies. I used the Distress Oxide black soot to add some black splatters to the background. And I use a glue stick to adhere the birdies. Thank you for watching today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Bye!